this is Fastidious Foo, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your laptop. So this is what you will need. This is a driver kit, and I really enjoy using this because it's got everything that I need. You don't have to purchase this exact model, but anything similar to this would be very useful in upgrading your computers. So today I'm going to show you how to change the RAM and the SSD on two Acer laptops, just to show different ways of opening up the computer, really. And there's nothing to be afraid of. First thing that you need to do is make sure that your computer is completely off. So this one's currently on, and I'm going to turn it off. I'm completely shutting down the computer. And it's currently shut down, and make sure that everything is removed. And so this is a Acer E15, and it's this one is extremely easy to work on. So for this, I am using the just a Phillips head. I don't even have to use this one. You just stick it in like this. So we're gonna flip over the laptop. And for some laptops, some manufacturers make it super easy by making that RAM slot and the hard drive slot extremely accessible. For this model, E15, you just need to unscrew these three slots. Now I can open the cover from that one end. And then now you can see the two RAMs that are in there and the SSD. So here you can see my two RAMs, and I'm going to remove them by pulling out the tabs on the side at the same time, which will release the RAMs, and I can just pull them out. So you can upgrade your memory if you want to run multiple applications, but I'm just going to use the exact same ones. And if you try to put it in any way, it's not going to work. So you can see that there is a groove. You'll have to match that up and put it in at an angle and then push it down. And when you hear that click, that means it is in all the way. So doing exactly the same thing, match up the groove, push it in at 45-degree angle, and then push it down. That is done. Ta-da! So while you're working with computer parts, try not to touch the gold parts or the circuit parts like I did, because finger oils will get everywhere and that's just not good. Try not to do that. So this is where your hard drive lives. So I'm using an SSD, which is faster than a regular hard drive, and either way you can just slide it out. I have a little tab that I can pull, but you don't even need that. You can just push it out or pull it out, whichever way works for you. So mine has a little casing that's covering it, and it requires these 4 screws to be removed. So I'm going to use a screwdriver to get these screws out, but there are different types of casings which may not even require a screwdriver, and some may not even require a casing at all. It depends on your computer manufacturer or the model of the computer. So I'm going to remove them, but hard drive is where your operating system, your programs, your data, everything lives. So if you hear like 250 gig or 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte hard drive, this is what they're referring to. So as you could see, mine is a 250 gigabyte solid state drive from Samsung. So it's not the original part, I've just replaced it with this in the past. So you would replace your hard drive or solid state drive, and then you would put the casing back in like this. And then I'm just gonna have to re-screw it back in. So yes, I'm using the exact same SSD as, you know, what I just pulled out, because I'm just showing you how to do this. Oh, and then you can see that there are two different types of screws. So the longer one that I just dropped was for the casing for the laptop, but these small tiny ones are for the SSD or your laptop hard drive. And just know that there are two different sizes, so store them separately while you're working on your different parts of the computer. So here I'm trying really hard to show you that the connector has a split with the short part and the long part. So what you will have to do is match up that, you know, long and short part on your hard drive with the connector, and then you just slide it in, and that's all you have to do to replace your hard drive. Now we can just put the cover in, and if there are, you know, parts that are sticking out, make sure that they go into their places to grab securely, and then just push it in to get the cover securely placed, and then you can put the screws back in. So I have demonstrated this with the Acer laptop, but it's exactly the same for HP or Asus or any other laptops that has the easy access covering parts. It may look a little different, but you know, if the laptop seems like it has a small cover, that's most likely what you need to remove to access your RAM and SSD. So I have just replaced all the screws, and I am done with this laptop's upgrade. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade these parts on laptops that do not have these easy access coverings. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.